Okay, so I get a lot of questions on Jeremy, am I near cap? And yes, I do have my own systems to track that. Although that I don't do them real time, I do it every Friday. I'll look at what's happened in the previous week. And so to answer your questions, first of all, the expectation at JLA is that you need to be tracking your own money. So there is a trust system and honor system for that. We trust that you can track your money and make the adjustments when necessary. If there's a question, always reach out. Cindy, at the end of the day, gets to make the ultimate decision on whether or not you're capped. But I do keep pretty good records and I can give you an indication whether you're capping or not. But before you reach out to me, you need to look at your own records. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to share my screen real quick. All right. So when you go into JLA Realty Workspace, that's jlarealty.workspace.lwolf.com, you'll log in and at the type, you're going to see your profile picture. So you're just going to click on that and you're going to see four buttons here: profile, account, settings, and activity. So you're going to click on activity and you're going to go here to transaction reports. And then over here, you're going to go to transaction production history. And then here you're going to put in your date range, which is going to be your anniversary date for cap. And then the day before it would roll over again. So whenever you start to whenever you finish, you can put those dates in. You're going to apply that. So once you put it in, you're going to hit apply and it's going to give you information. You can download that information. It's going to give you charts that you can look at. And what you will be looking for as far as knowing whether or not you capped is John and I split our cap. So you'll see the same amount in the JLA Realty column as you'll see in my column. Those two together added will be your cap. Once you reach cap, you go to 100%. So once you start getting close to that number, you might have to go in and do a manual adjustment on a CDA. You can reach out to Cindy as well to verify that, make that adjustment, and that additional money, the above and beyond, will go back to you. And then just let me know, shoot me maybe a text or an email saying, hey, Jeremy, I have capped, just so I can go back in and verify that, but also to know that in the upcoming transactions, until you get back to your anniversary date, you will be at cap. So I hope this helps. You are able to gain access to all that information. One more time, you're just going to click on your profile, go across the top, click on activity. Where it says associate reports, you're going to transaction reports, and you're going to hit transaction production history. You're going to put in your date range. So your anniversary date to the day before, you roll over again, and then you're going to hit apply. It's going to show all that's been put into Back Agent. So I hope this helps clarify some things. If you have any other questions, of course, reach out to me and have a great day.